what's going on? In this video I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok, how to make money on TikTok from day one, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers on there, how to take advantage of that virality of that platform. And don't worry, we're not going to be collecting coins and converting them into diamonds like, what are you, fucking 5? Like, in this video I'm going to show you the real way how to make real money from day one. So I'm going to jump into my computer, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So stay till the end of this video because you don't want to miss out any of those steps, because each step will be very, very important for you to start making money from day one. Okay, so shameless plug. If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe, hit that notification bell button, because I upload videos every week on how to make money online, how to make it online, how to make it your lifestyle. So if you're new, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell button, and give me some love, give me some likes, because I love it, the algorithm of YouTube love it, and everybody loves receiving some love. So okay, if you find this video valuable, hit it like, and let's jump to my computer and see how it's done right now. So for this example, we're gonna be using this website. It's called Clickbank, okay? It's a huge marketplace where you can pick and choose any niche and any product, okay? So if you don't have an account with Clickbank, you just simply sign up. They accept almost anybody from the whole entire world. It's completely free, and once you sign up, you're gonna end up here. This is a marketplace, okay? You're gonna go to marketplace, and this, as you can see, you have all these categories, in other words, niches, okay? So you're just gonna pick a niche or a category or topic that is most close to you, or whatever is within your own interest, okay? So that's very important, because you don't want to be creating content on topics that absolutely bore you or that you know nothing about. So pick a niche. As you can see, there's a lot of them, whole bunch of them, okay? So for this example, I'm gonna pick health and fitness, and as you can see right here, you have a list of all the products and companies within that particular niche that you can search through, and you can basically choose the one that pays the most commission. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly how to pick a good product within your niche so you are more likely that it's going to convert, okay? There are a couple of rules that you need to follow when searching for your product to then receive your commission, okay? So check this out. Here you can sort results by, okay? So drop down menu, and you can see all these things, okay? We're not gonna go over all of them, but you just wanna make sure that you sort your products by gravity. And here you can see the gravity numbers of each product. So what this number means is, more or less, okay, the Clickbank has never been super clear about this, but what it basically means is how many other affiliates or how many other people promoting that particular product have made one or more sales with that particular product within the last 30 days, okay, within the last month. So the higher the gravity number, it means that that product converts very well, okay? But also, you should not be picking the highest gravity, because what that means is that there is a lot of competition. So if you're brand new, if you don't have an email list of all bunch of contacts or subscribers or followers that you can promote that to, that basically means that the higher the gravity, the more competition. So you want to find a sweet balance. So what I found is that the gravity number is best around 50 to 100. If it's more than 150 to 100, depending on the product, it might be saturated. If it's lower than 50, then it means that the product is not hot enough, or there's something wrong with that product, or it's just not converting that well, okay? So that's rule number one, look for the gravity, okay? So for example, here we have a lot of gravity, 427, 312, so you can just search through them all the way, right? Now, the other thing that you need to look for in a specific product is this. If that product has affiliate page, okay, and a link to an affiliate page like this one, okay? For example, this one has it, but this one doesn't, okay? What that means, that also that the owner of that product is providing their affiliates with a lot of material, a lot of assets, okay? For example, email swipes, what to say on social media posts, okay, that you can copy and paste, banners, pictures, videos, and all that kind of stuff. So the more the particular product offers to you as an affiliate, the better, okay? Because that means that they really care about you being successful, because the more you are successful, obviously they are successful, okay? And obviously the last thing that you need to look for is the price. This is the average commission paid per sale. So if you then basically what you do is you generate a hop link, or that's what it's called, and you basically click promote. Once you have your account, you click promote, and then you generate hop links, right? And this is your affiliate link. With this link then, if you start promoting it, okay, then anybody who clicks on that link and gets to the sales page of that particular product, and that owner of that specific product will basically do the heavy lifting for you, because they have in place all the marketing sequences, the emails. You basically, all you need to care about is to drive traffic to that specific product, and the rest to bring the people into their ecosystem, right? And then they will take care of the rest, okay? They will hit them from different angles and market them and all kinds of things so that they can convert. But once somebody converts and purchases that particular product because they arrive through your link that you generated through this website, then you can get paid average this amount of money depending on the product that you choose, right? So these are the rules for you to start looking for a specific product. Okay, I showed you that you need to look for gravity. I showed you how to look for gravity, how to pick a right gravity, how to pick a right owner of that product. For example, if they give you a lot of marketing materials, okay, and also how to generate your affiliate link, right? So this was an example for a health and fitness niche. Your niche might be different, right? It could be betting systems, business, computers, education, fiction, games, green products, okay, woodworking, dog training, whatever your niche is. Okay, you just pick that, you search through Clickbank, you generate your hop link or you get your affiliate link, and then you start posting content about this particular niche on TikTok, okay? Look for other content creators on TikTok within your niche, or whatever, on Instagram, for example, to get inspired what type of content that they are posting, either videos or pictures or whatever like that. You know that TikTok has a lot of tools that you can use to make the post very interesting and interactive. And after each post that you make within that niche, at the end of that post, you just make a call to action, okay? You just say, hey, if you're interested more, click the link in my bio, right? You put the link with this affiliate offer in your bio, and then if anybody is interested, they will just click on that and they can go through the sales process, marketing process, and click, and you can start earning your commissions from day one. And as you can know, TikTok right now is going really and growing really fast. So you don't have to have thousands of subscribers to basically start generating money on TikTok right away. You just start posting interactive and interesting content within your niche, and you just put, like a smart person, you put affiliate link into your bio, and you can start generating money right away from TikTok, okay? So if you stay till the end of this video, I wanna make you an offer, okay? Not an offer, I'm not gonna sell you anything, don't worry about it, okay? I'm gonna just make you a proposal, okay? What I just showed you is called affiliate marketing. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it's basically the easiest way on how to start making money, real money online, okay? And there's all kinds of affiliate marketing, okay? You can be affiliate marketing on Amazon, and you can get their affiliate link, and if anybody purchases through your link, you get a small commission, or you can even be an affiliate for a fucking Walmart, okay? But what I'm talking about here is to be affiliate marketer, or how to start affiliate marketing business that you can really get up and running within 15 days, okay? Literally 15 days with zero experience, zero technical skills, like I did, okay? So I invite you to basically take a 15-day challenge or a 15-day affiliate marketing bootcamp, where you can learn, number one, high-ticket business model to launch online, okay? Newbie friendly. While low-ticket business models are keeping you broke, and you will see the math. And download all my high ticket templates, scripts, and funnel. Okay, so basically this is a challenge. It's a 15-day challenge where this affiliate marketer, which is my mentor, okay, I took this challenge and it really jump started my journey, which you can, by the way, join and grow with me on this channel or on my TikTok channel. Okay, so on this you will start making money and you will start getting the understanding on how this affiliate marketing business works, and that you don't really have to have a whole bunch of experience. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description, okay, where you can grab this challenge. Okay, you get instant access here, and I'm not gonna lie, this challenge is not for free. Okay, this 15-day challenge, the way you will receive every day hours worth of training, okay, which is like literally gold information that will open your eyes. Okay, so listen, this challenge is, I believe they sell it for $7, which is like a freaking frappuccino in Starbucks. And sometimes I don't know if they run the promotion or not, but sometimes they sell it even for half of that. Okay, so $3.50. So seriously, for $7 you can acquire 15 days of training where you can learn all these things, and you can set yourself up for success on how to make money online. So I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. It's gonna be the first link in the description. If you like this video, give it a like, okay, because that helps me, that helps support this channel, and it motivates me to give out more free tutorials like this. Okay, I'm myself starting my journey on TikTok, so follow me on TikTok as well. You're gonna have the link in my website down in the description. Follow my journey so you can see how fast I can grow on TikTok as well. So join my journey, grow with me. Until next time, my friend, go out there, go online, and make it fucking happen. All right, peace.